Oh yeah, now this is what I'm talking about. We got some electrical tape that we left. Check this out. Oh, first of all, there's grease on that coil. Let's get a better look at this. This was nice. If I can even get over here, Jesus Christ. Somebody left the rope too. That is nicely done. I mean, if the curb had a coil in it, it would be cool. There's the cardboard from the missing fan motor. They still got the what the hell? How is this gonna work? It's running too, guys. Ain't no doubt about that. Jesus Christ. You can't make this shit up. Oh my God.